Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel WA Reviews. Are you looking for premium wireless earbuds with strong noise cancellation, massive battery life, and rich sound without spending a fortune? Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the TOZO Aerosound TWS Bluetooth Earbuds, featuring Hybrid Active Noise Cancellation, 55 hours of battery life, Bluetooth 5.3, and much more. Let's get started. First, let's see what comes inside the box. TOZO Aerosound wireless earbuds, charging case, extra ear tips, USB Type-C charging cable, quick start guide and user manual. The packaging is clean and minimal, and TOZO includes extra ear tips for a better fit, which is always a plus. The TOZO Aerosound earbuds feature a sleek, modern design with a comfortable in-ear fit. They feel lightweight but solid, making them suitable for long listening sessions. The charging case looks premium and supports wireless charging, which is rare at this price point. Another highlight is IPX8 water resistance, meaning these earbuds can easily handle sweat, rain, and workouts. Now, let's talk about sound quality, which is where these earbuds really shine. The 10mm dynamic drivers, combined with TOZO OrigX 2.0 technology, deliver deep, punchy bass, clear and natural vocals, clean and detailed treble. The Bass Plus Acoustics enhances low frequencies without overpowering the mids, making these great for music, movies, and podcasts. The TOZO Aerosound comes with hybrid 3-layer active noise cancellation, capable of reducing noise up to 45 decibels. This works really well for traffic noise, fans, and office environments. When you need awareness, transparency mode lets ambient sound in, perfect for conversations or outdoor use without removing the earbuds. For calls, TOZO uses a 6-mic ANC system with advanced noise reduction. Voices sound clear and natural, even in noisy surroundings, making these earbuds reliable for calls, meetings, and online classes. Thanks to Bluetooth 5.3, the connection is fast, stable, and power efficient. There's also a low-latency mode, which keeps audio perfectly synced with video. Great for gaming and watching videos. Using the TOZO app, you unlock 32 preset EQ modes, plus thousands of community-shared EQs from audio files around the world. There's also ear-tuned sound compensation, which adjusts audio based on your hearing profile for a more personalized listening experience. Battery life is one of the biggest strengths here. You get up to 55 hours of total playback with the charging case. Charging is done via USB Type-C, and you also get wireless charging, adding convenience for daily use. Pros and cons. Pros: excellent hybrid ANC, powerful bass and balanced sound, 55 hours battery life, wireless charging support, and IPX8 water resistance. Cons: no companion app, case slightly bulky for pockets. Overall, the TOZO Aerosound TWS earbuds deliver premium features at a very competitive price. If you want strong noise cancellation, long battery life, solid call quality, and immersive sound, these earbuds are definitely worth considering. Perfect for daily use, workouts, travel, and even gaming. If you are interested in getting one for yourself, check out link in description below. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let me know in the comments, would you choose the TOZO Aerosound? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.